Alright, so we have a really nasty conditioned General Electric standard fan. This one might be from about the 90s or something. It was originally a blue color, and these fans are really rare, and I do like them. But I think this has been in the sun for like a few months, and now it's like this really ugly looking green color. There's a lot of scratch marks in the paint, and a lot of rust. So yeah, it needs to be repainted, and then it's the motor will have to be restored. And I think the head wire is penetrated. You have the switch right here. And yeah, the switch is stuck. I can't really move it. So yes.